Morning guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a week in my life, how my weeks have been going. So on Monday, I have global issues and psych, but my psych Zoom call got canceled. So what I did was I laid in bed and went on my Zoom call for global issues, literally from my bed. I didn't get up or anything because I was so tired, and we don't have to like show our face or anything. So I just listen and watch whatever he's putting on the screen, and then afterwards at around 9:30 when the class is done, I go back to sleep because I was extremely tired, like I said, so I wanted to sleep a little longer. And then once I got up, I made breakfast, and I actually tried the TikTok coffee that I'm sure you guys have seen all over the place. It's the whipped coffee, so I decided to give that a try this morning after I made my bed. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy, problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You're my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. So I realized that I didn't whip up the coffee as much as it should have been. Should have been way thicker, but it was my first time. Maybe I'll try again, but it was just okay to me. I still love my Nespresso coffee better. And then I just drank that and started my global issues essay that was due on Saturday, so I got it done the same day so I don't have to really worry about it. And then after that I just got into bed because I like to watch Love Island while I also do like busy work that doesn't really involve me paying too much attention because it's not like that, you know, deep, but that's what I like to do, is just get into bed, watch something, but still be productive at the same time. Much later, I decided to do a quick ab workout. I've been trying to work out a couple times a week at home, and then I just got my bed ready for the rest of the night after I showered, getting into my nice comfy bed. I love my new sheets, by the way. I'm gonna do a whole video like I've been telling you guys when the room is all done, so I'll be doing like a room tour and I'll be telling you guys where most of the things are from. But I'm just putting my bed back down a little bit. I like to sleep with it a little bit inclined. It's good to sleep like that. But yeah, that's basically it for Monday. So on Tuesdays, I don't need to wake up early. I just wake up whenever my body decides to get up, and I just check my email to see what my human environment teacher posted because that's my only class on Tuesdays. So he usually just posts lecture notes, and then I get up, make my bed, and make my coffee and breakfast of the day before starting work. Usually on Tuesdays, I like to get done my social advocacy homework that's due on Thursdays. So I just read the article and completed my case study response. I decided to film a night routine this day, so I'm just showing you guys a sneak peek of my workout that I included in that video. It's already up on my channel, so make sure you go and check it out if you have not already. But I just had a really chill, relaxing night, and then to end off the night I watched more Love Island UK. Guys, this show is really, really good. They have all 6 seasons on Hulu, so make sure you go and watch it. It's so freaking good. Also, before I skipped to the next day, I actually skipped Wednesday and went to Thursday because Wednesday I didn't really do much. I had work at 4, so yeah, I skipped over Wednesday if you guys were curious, and ended off the week on a Thursday because Friday I also work. Now on Thursday I have 2 classes, Global Issues and Psych, and I had 2 Zoom calls for both of those classes. So it was a really busy day, and I made peanut butter banana toast for breakfast, and of course had my coffee so I can have my coffee while I was on my next call and just trying to prepare for my exam next week. And then at the end of the day I learned some TikTok, so I made a TikTok account finally. I've had TikTok for a while, but I would just post private videos, and then I just decided why not. So here's a little behind the scenes.